Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, maulan na araw sa lahat. Kahit hindi ako sigurado kung umuulan dyan sa inyo. Ayan, Inday Baduray here. Ayan, dito na naman kinakasamang pagmumukha. Dahil babatiin natin. Ayan, ito ang kanyang first ever birthday together with Team Bebe 2.0. Ateng Ava or Adventuristas. Hi ate! Welcome again to the team. And though hindi tayo masyadong nakakapag-interact, chat-chat lang minsan, but still, ayan, I can feel that you're a kind person, good person who loves adventures. Ayan, mga hiking, saan-saan gala. Ayan, ingat po palagi at ateng wherever you're going to. Tapos, enjoy your life at your own pace. And thank you for joining us. And though hindi ka lagi naka-live, but I could see na lagi ka nakasupport sa amin, lalo na sa mga premieres. And lagi ko nakikita ang names mo sa mga comsec. Ayan. Wishing you a very beautiful celebration together with your friends, and hopefully, I'm not sure if you're with your family. I guess nasa Pinas sila, so but still, I hope it will not be a hindrance. Ayan, para maging happy and mag-enjoy ka sa iyong special day. Okay, ateng. And ingat po palagi and God bless you. Stay pretty, stay active. Ayan, nakakapagsana all ka lang talaga ating kasi you're very jolly, lively, napaka-active mo, lalo na sa mga physical activities, outdoor activities, mga ganon. Ayan, keep doing that ate. And hopefully, mag-upload ka po ng I will be looking forward to that, ng mga fitness activities mo. Kasi I could see na you are very sexy. Ayan, sana po ay excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry po. Sorry. Ayan. Ako kasi yung gumagawa ng birthday greetings na ayaw ko ng date ko kasi gusto ko yung kung ano yung nasa puso. Nasa puso. Ayan. Again, ateng, thank you and have a great day. God bless you always, ateng. Sana po ay magkita-kita tayong lahat. Ayan, ang mga Team Bebe 2.0 members. And, good luck sa iyong channel din. Okay. Love.
Hello everyone. Hello, Sis Adventurista. Welcome sa Team Baby Sis at happy birthday. Wish ko lang is good health palagi at more blessings to come at more birthdays, and maingat ka palagi dyan at enjoy mo lang yung birthday. Happy birthday once again. Enjoy, ingat. Basta good health lang palagi. And more premieres to come. So yun lang sis, happy birthday. God bless, ingat.
This is your mommy yours. Good morning. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ang ating kasama sa Team Bebe na si Adventurista. Happy birthday. May God bless you always. Happiness. Keep smiling. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sis Adventurista. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow, more cakes to slice. Thank you so much sis sa pag-support mo palagi sa channel ko. Ayan, God bless you always. Once again, happy birthday. Stay humble and pretty. Bye-bye.
Hello guys, ayan, Miguel Love shoutout po sa lahat. Ayan, especially po kay Sis Adventurista. Ayan, Sisi, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day with your family and friends and take care always.
Thank you so much sa pagiging supportive mo sa mga premiere namin tuwing Saturday. Mag-iingat ka palagi and more birthdays to come. And ayan, good health. Ayan. Thank you so much, Sisi. God bless you. Enjoy your special day. Bye.
Hello guys, good evening. Have a nice day, and I wanted to greet our Katim Bebe Adventuras. Happy birthday sa iyo, Sisi. God bless, good health, and more birthdays to come. More wishes come true. Yun lang. And thank you so much sa support sa amin, sa ating lahat, Katim Bebe. Makakaasa ka na support din ako sa iyo sa lahat ng premiere mo and live stream mo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sisi. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye!
Hello everyone! Hello, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. At gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday ang ating isang ka-teammates. Happy birthday sis Ladin Ava. Di ko alam kung totoong name bike mo yan. So happy birthday sis Ladin Ava at Adventuristas sa name ng YT channel. Happy birthday sis. What a coincidence, same kayo ng name ng anak ko, Ava. I don't know ano ba, same ba kayo ng pag-speech na name, Ava. Happy birthday sis, and God bless you always, at mag-ingat ka palagi. Good health always sis, and more candles to blow. Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi sis sa work mo, and ano pa ba, salamat sa pagsuporta sa aking channel kahit na hectic yung trabaho mo, kahit na busy ka. Thank you, and ano pa ba, basta enjoy your birthday today, and yun na lang siguro. enjoy, more birthdays to come, and God bless you always sis. Happy birthday.
Hello, this is your bro Tony Towers, here to wish our sis Adventurista a happy birthday of 2025. I hope that you're having a wonderful birthday this year. Another year gone. More adventures on the way. Keep sharing your adventures with us. We really enjoy those. Thank you for being part of Team Bebe 2.0. I hope you have a wonderful year this year. More explorations with your friends and family. More time with your family. More time with your loved ones. And continue to share your adventures with us. We really enjoy what you are sharing. Those adventures give us reasons to take more adventures. Thank you. Happy birthday to you, and more birthdays to come. More presents to open, more cake to slice, more birthdays to come. Stay safe always. Be blessed.